Welcome everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to update a table of content. In assignments, when you're doing an assignment or when you're doing a project, you have to update the table of contents in those reports. So most of the students or like these employees, what they do is they update this table of contents manually, updating page numbers and all that. But in this video I'm going to show you how to update table of contents within about 5-10 minutes. So we'll go and discuss. So this is the sample that I made. This is like an assignment with the topic of the impact of motivation on employee turnover. So this is introduction. Likewise, I have subheadings. So I have subheadings and a few main sections as well. So I'm going to update the table of contents for this simple assignment. Let's go and see. So now before you update anything, before you update your table of content, make sure to complete your entire study or entire report. Okay, wait till the last moment to update your table of contents. That's the very first advice that I'm going to give you. Right, so let's go and see. Now I have numbered these each and every heading so that you could understand very well when you're doing this update. So one as one number heading, meaning these are the main sections of this studies. For example, this is introduction is one of the main section of this study, and you have literature review. These are the second main section of the study. Likewise, I have 3 to 4 main sections. So I will categorize them as one number heading because those are the main sections. Now I have subsection under main sections. Like for example, now I have 1.1 under introduction section. So in that way, I would categorize this as two number headings, meaning one subsection under the main section. So two number headings. Now suppose that you have another subsection under this. Of course, that's going to be 3 number heading. Let's say I have literature review here. So below that, I have 2.1, which is concept A, part of literature review. And again, I have 2.1.1 concept A's factors, meaning this is a 3 number heading, right? So this is a 3 number heading. Likewise, you need to understand the flow, main headings, and then you have 2 number heading, meaning first subsection of that particular main section, and then you have 3 number heading. Of course, you can have multiple headings. So likewise, you need to understand 1 number heading, 2 number heading, 3 number heading, right? So let's go and link this now. First, what you have to do is you need to select 1 number headings first, right? Meaning the main sections. Now I'm going to press Control. Now I'm going to select all these 1 number headings first. You see, I'm choosing all of them at once, right? And then these are 2 number headings, and this is the third 1 number heading, and of course, so this is your fourth 1 number heading. Right, now after updating this, after selecting all these 1 number heading, don't click anywhere, just go to Home tab in here in the table, and then click on heading 1. As you can see, under this Home tab you would find these small boxes with letters, and the word says heading 1. So click on heading 1. The moment you clicked on this, so your formatting of these main headings, these headings that you have selected already, would change. See, as you can see, so their formatting got changed. The formatting, like as in the colors of that text, the style of that text would change. So without clicking anywhere, what you can do is you can update the same formatting that was before. I was using Calibri, black, bold, and font size was 18. So before clicking anywhere, I just updated the same formatting I was using in the beginning. So right, and so right, that is right. Now this is just like that, and we have linked the main first sections. Right, now you can click anywhere again. Now we have linked the very first 1 number heading. Now you need to focus on the second number heading, like 2 number heading. So 1 subsection under main sections. Likewise, 1.1 is one of the 2 number headings. Let's go one by one. So under 2. we have another 2 number heading. This is a 3 number heading, and again we have another 2 number heading. That's it. So now, just like you update the main numbers, this is going to be heading number 2. The previous one, it was heading number 1. Here, heading number 2. Again, same thing will happen. The formatting gets changed. Again, same thing I did. Calibri. It was 16 before. Alt, and let's bold them. Yeah, that's 2 number heading. Now let's go to the other section. The next section, 3 number heading. Now you go one by one again. There you have one 3 number heading. Again, there's another one. Yeah, that's it. So that's going to be your 3 number heading. Formatting gets changed without clicking anywhere, since you have selected all those at once. Calibri 14 black. Okay, and you updated the font styles and colors. Right now, that's it guys. So that's the main work that you have to do. Now what you can do is go to the beginning of this assignment. Now I have left a blank space to update the reference list. That's okay. You can even add a blank page here. So click on this blank page, go to references. Here, the references tab, select table of contents, corner left, and select on this, click on this arrow, and you can choose any style of the table of contents. So there are many options that you can choose. So I'm going to choose the contemporary style. Okay, just going to click on that. See, so you get all the table of contents and headings with particular page numbers. You have basically done the whole table of contents within 2 to 3 minutes. Now if you want to modify this, for example, if you want to add this as just content, then of course you can click on this. Maybe I'm going to choose black color and update this. Maybe I can increase the font size, and I can even underline, right? So that's it guys. So see, the Word document itself would categorize them as those subheadings. See, under this you have 2.1.1. that is in different size. Main subheadings like this, and 2 number headings like this, 3 number headings like this. Likewise, you can even choose different styles for this table of contents. Yeah, so that's it guys. Now one more thing that I have to mention. So suppose that you forgot to, so you are basically updating this table of contents after updating everything, right? So suppose that you forgot something. Let's say executive summary. You're supposed to update an executive summary, right? So this will come before, let's say, under introduction. This is an example. Don't just, usually you don't write executive summary and introduction. I'm just summary. Let's say this is going to be 1.0, right? Now you need to update this section as well in your table of contents. So what you can do, you need to understand where it should be placed. For example, I have placed this under main introduction, right? So it's going to be 2 number heading under introduction, under main section, one of the main sections, as 2 number heading. So this will align with your background of the company, overview of the company and all that, because this is also one of the 2 number headings. Now you have updated this after updating your table of contents. That's the issue here. Now just because you write your 2nd number heading here doesn't mean that this get updated automatically. So what you have to do is, soon after you update this, you go here, you check whether it's updated. No, it's not there. So come here again, same thing that you have to do. So you need to understand 2 number heading was this. Because of that, you are going to click on the same thing, thing that you did for others. It was 16, bold and black. Yeah, and then come back to this, select this. When you select on this table of content, you get this frame as well as this small text saying table of contents. So click on the arrow here and then update table, click update table and then update entire table, update entire table. All right, click. See, your executive summary will appear on the right place under introduction 1.0 before overview of the company. As you can see, it got updated. It's very simple as that. One more thing, guys. So suppose again you wanted to add more context under let's say overview of the company, right? So because you updated this information on the overview of the company, the literature review section, you had to move to the next page because you were using that space to update overview of the company. You had to add more context on the overview of the company. Because of that, literature review main section got moved to the 4th page. It was in the 3rd page when you updated your table of content. Now it's in the 4th page. Now again, if you go and check, the literature review is still in the 3rd page, which is wrong, right? Because you had updated that, you have done that change after updating your table of contents. Because of this, table of content would not know about that change. So what you can do is click again, just like you updated the previous one. Click here, update table. Now last time you updated the entire table, so in this time what you have to do is update page numbers only. Select this option, update page numbers only, and click OK. So before I click OK, I'm going to show you it's in 3rd page. Now actually it's in the 4th page because you have moved it. I'm going to click OK. So it's going to be on 4th page. So you get this table of content gets updated nicely. So what you can do is, my advice is just, so you don't have to do this, update table for maybe the page numbers or additional context. So it's better if you can update all entire project or that assignment entirely, complete all the formatting, and then only at last you can update table of contents. It's going to be easy for you to update table of contents. You can save more time and you don't have to worry about updating manually, because manual update is like very time consuming. Suppose that you are doing a project, you will have many like 20-30 subheadings and main sections, so it's going to be very time consuming. It's very challenging. Because of that, you can use this method. You can use the mechanism that I just used. These options are there in the Word document itself. So use this, save your time. I wish you all the best with your study or that particular project. So I'll be doing another video to cover how to update list of figures and list of tables as well. Just keep in touch. All the best, guys.